This recording is based on the compiler program in which we have to give a file input as an input program and generate a symbol table. Now what exactly is a symbol table? It's it's a data structure which is kind of a table in which all the keywords, function names, variable names are stored in different sections of a table in an ordered manner. Now in my program I have used three important packages, or I have imported these packages. The first one is java.io.bufferedReader class. It reads the text from a character input stream, providing us with the buffered characters so as to provide the reader with an efficient reading. Now the third one is the java.util.string tokenizer class, which allows to break a string into tokens. And the fourth one is the file reader, which is used for reading streams of characters. Now in this I have also used a split keyword in which it allows the strings to be splitted according to the keyword used. Like if I've given is equals to, then the string will be splitted wherever the is equal to comes. Now according to my program, I have imported all the three packages here, which is buffered reader, file reader, and then string tokenizer. Now in this I have initialized a string, I have initialized a string s, arrays fr, data, val and var, in which I have initialized some of them as null. I have given file, created an object of file, which is and I've given the location of the file, my system.txt file, which consists of header. It consists of brackets, identifiers, keywords, operators, values and everything. And when I show the output of this program, the output will itself consist of all the different tokens separated in an ordered manner. So then I've taken a file reader object, then a buffer reader object, and then in the columns that I wish to show it in my table, I've given it here. If I wish to show data type, variable, current value, show all those values here. Now for the first one, now if I'm checking like if my string s contains an int keyword, and if it's equals to true, if the condition is true, then the string will split with the blank spaces wherever that keyword int comes, and it will be stored in the array fr. Similarly, further, if we go on now with in the for loop, I'm using an empty array var, and I'm giving the limit as its length using var.length. Now in var all the operators will be stored, like is equals to and so on. Here I have given a condition in which if the this variable thing contains, if the index of this array contains an is equals to, and if it's equals to true, that section will be split. And we go on with the same procedure. Here I have given an else if statement and checked if the string contains a float variable. If that is equals to true, it will split according to that. So here is my program, and I've given the whole thing in a try block. If there's any error or exception handling, it will go to this catch block. Now I'll run this program. Now here, as we can see, the file that I had given, it consisted of data type int float, and in my output it is segregated as int float. The number of times it's used, it is also shown here. Then the variables that I used in my program was a, b, c, flt and flt1, so even that's printed, and the current value of each variable, that is a is value 0, b is 0, c is 10, which I have initialized it here in my program. So thank you, ma'am. This was my explanation for the compiler program in which you have to separate all the tokens in an ordered manner and display it in a symbol table. Thank you.